Hello, Tammy here with Happi Art Creations, and welcome to my today. Y'all, it's been a little while. I actually have a video I need to upload. Y'all, it's been hard recuperating from the little hospital stint, so I've been doing little things that require for me to just kind of sit down and relax, but I'm starting to feel better again. And anyhow, today I'm going to do something I've never done before. Alrighty. I've had this like for months and months and months when Mixed Media Girl was doing them. And anyhow, it's a 4-chamber cup. And by golly, that's what I'm going to do. Okay? And y'all, I'm still trying to use up some of these colors. I know there's only 4 colors and I got to decide which I want. Alright. This is like a mineral blue. This is kind of sparkly. And I don't know, I like these right here. But I only have 4 chambers. I wonder if you can... definitely want the turquoise. This here is a metallic white gold. Okay, it's a mix of colors. This is like a dark navy. And it's a ceramic coat. Let me make sure this is the one. Or is that my mysterious? Oh no, I think that's my mysterious. This is not the one. So here, I've made up my mind, I think. These are kind of close in color. And I kind of think I like the brightness of this one. Okay, so I think I've got my colors. We'll give it a try. Who knows, I may add some of these. Oh, that one went behind everything, so I gotta be careful. Anyhow, so this is a 12 by 12 wood round right here. And so I'm just going to go for it, y'all. And I'm just, I've got my white paint right here that I'm going to use up for my surrounding area. I don't know if I'm going to do a traveling ring pour or just a ring pour. Honestly, I prefer traveling because to me it has more options. And I think I'm just going to add it from the bottle. And... if I'm remembering correctly, this is more of my 50-50 mix, maybe. Alright, so let's set that aside. Where do I want... oh, I just adore. Maybe I'll put this one here. I'm not using a lot of paint. Okay. Because I want to be able to spread it around. So hopefully I'll be able to let that drain there. And I think I'm going to add the metallic white in here. Y'all, I seriously have never... now I've done a traveling ring pour, but I have officially never ever done one with the new cups that everybody, it's the rage. So I'm going to go for it, y'all, and just enjoy it. These are kind of oceany. And I like them. So let's see how that works. Maybe try to let this one, how much is this one? Is this one drained? Yeah. Oops. So that one's drained. I think they're pretty even. Let me put my lids on, make sure they're on and shut. Okay, I'm not even going to worry about that. These might be pretty sheer, and then I'm just going to pour them directly on here and travel around, and then I'm going to put my, my flow aid. So let's see how these work. Looks like we'll start off with the ring till I see all my colors. Here they come. And let's travel. Ooh, aren't they pretty? You know what's neat about this? It's not a lot of paint. Is that you can change directions just like I just did. And make it different. So that different colors face one another, like now the green, and here we go. And I'm going to switch positions. Oh, maybe not, because I want that other color. I've got my water. Let's just kind of do it like that. I don't want to waste any of this paint. That's pretty empty. Okay, I'm going to put it in my water like everybody says to do immediately. Put it in water. So there we go. It's in water so that it does not... Ooh, that's pretty. Let me pop my bubbles. None of this has silicone. None. But the colors are gorgeous-imo. Now, I think I want some gold around the base. Let me get it. Where are you, gold? Where are you, gold? Gold. I think I'll just use my Arteza gold. Here we go. And just, oh, that's such a nice color. This should be the same. I might make this into a clock or something. We'll see how it turns out. And then I'm going to put my white around. Is this thinner than my base? I don't know. This color needs to be a little bit thinner so it rolls over it. And that was just water, and I spray it. And this is actually the leftover of my white house paint, and it had been sitting, and I just want to use it. So we'll see how it turns out. Okay. So, I don't know what I'd do without my good old McDonald's cups. My hubby, he is a fan of, he does their Diet Dr. Pepper, and he likes the 99-cent cup. And these cups are really nice for, you know, like what I'm doing. I like to mix it and then put it in my can. I know that's a lot of paint, but you know, it's gonna be. Should I spin it? Let me pop bubbles first. I'm watching for the rain. My puppies are outside, so I gotta bring them in just a sec. Oh, there's some natural selling. I like these colors. Okay, y'all, you ready? You want to see them up close? Sorry about the shadow. I've got windows open and stuff. And let's just gently move it around. I see a booger on that end. I am going to, hopefully, from the house paint, get that off. So, there we go. Why not get the booger out, right? And let's just keep moving it and moving it. I think this would make a beautiful, beautiful clock. The colors, look at that already. Who knows, I might resin over it. I'm liking this, y'all. I may have to do more of these. Let's try to slow it down. And bring it down. Here we go. I'm losing my gold, so let's bring it back into the center. What I do hate is this blob of white paint that I'm going to pop my thing on. Nah, whatever. It is what it is. Let me get a paper towel. I love the new paper towel holder my hubby made. It is on my wall right behind me. And what's good about it is that I can actually get napkins off and not destroy. Alright, so let's give it a pop again. I think this would make a beautiful ocean scene or setup behind for a resin. I might do that. Let's go ahead and... Oh, looks like this dried. Ah! Maybe I'm not going to be spinning. Ooh, there we go. Maybe, is it just this one? Yeah. Let's just give it a little bit. As you can see, I haven't been painting a whole lot. I know, I lost my gold. Oh well, it's still gorgeous, right? Oh wow. That is going to be a beautiful ocean scene. I can see it already. It is gorgeous. So this, I'm going to say this is going to be my setup, since it is a board, to do a resin art. And maybe I'll be good enough to show you as I go, because I have been practicing. Even today, I've got some stuff I'm getting ready. I've got another show at the end of the month. And anyhow, so y'all tell me what you think. Does it have more bubbles? Let's see. Here's my little stick. Is that a blob? Well, it is, so let's, oh, where is my tweezers? Tweezers. Here. Always have tweezers close by. Like I said, there's been some blobs, and I can fix that. Maybe. The paint's pretty thin, which is good. I wanted it to be thinner. And y'all, these colors are gorgeous. So even though it'll make a beautiful clock even if I don't do anything to it, but since I feel like I want to, this is it. Y'all, this was a short video. Real short. Y'all don't know that about me, huh? I don't do very many short videos. Oh, Lord have mercy, I have enjoyed this, y'all. I have missed it. I have been doing, like I said, just little stuff sitting at my table here. And I'm feeling better every day. It was kind of a strange thing. It doesn't normally happen to someone my age. I'm still, you know, I'm 59 this week. And anyhow, it's not something that happens to very many people at 59. So it wasn't a heart attack. It was just a craziness. So I've got these crazy bubbles, and I think I just want to, you know, I can't help it. I think I just like to mess with stuff. But I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it. I'm just stopping. Okay. Hey, y'all, if you like this, I'll bring it up. Give me, oh, it is. Give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and share with your friends. Let me go ahead and get this down. Share with your friends. And, oh my gosh, look at that. I might have to post this one before the other one. The other one was just some more blooming. Anyhow, share with your friends. Subscribe if you're not already. We have a new art page called Let's Share Happi Art on Facebook. Go ahead and just request to join the club. Read the fun rules. There's not a whole lot, but just, you know, no bullying, all that kind of stuff, and being kind to one another. And yeah, look at this. This is going to be gorgeous. This will be gorgeous. Is that blob? No, that's, I think, tape. Okay. All right, y'all. Make sure you spark some happy in someone's heart today. You never know who you may help, whose heart you may touch, whose life you may change with just a smile and saying, hi, how you doing? Alrighty, people, it matters, and some people don't feel like they're being seen or heard, or they feel forgotten. So reach out and touch those people, spark some happy in their heart. Okay, y'all, I'll see you next time on Happi Art Creations. Toodaloo, bye-bye. Goodbye now. Goodbye.